Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your friends list private on your Steam Deck account. And this is easy to do just on the home screen here. Let's go up top to this little picture and select A on it. Then go on down to where it says Privacy Settings, Profile, Games, Inventory, etc. Then under here, we have My Profile. And we have the different options under here. And we can make this public, friends only, or private, and everything else will be just automatically turned to private or whatever you select. And this will be your game details, your friends list, inventory, and people who can post on your profile. So we want to go to where it says friends list and set this to private. So we can set something up here, and everything's going to be friends only or public, but we can switch it over to friends only, private, or public right here. So decide how you want this. This controls who can see your friends list on your Steam community profile. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.